Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for an easy way to access YouTube directly from your Windows desktop, I've got a quick and simple solution for you. In today's video, I'll show you how to install the YouTube app on your Windows PC using Google Chrome. No need for any additional software or complicated steps. So make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get started. To install the YouTube app on Windows using Chrome, follow these steps. Launch Chrome on your Windows computer. Visit the YouTube website. Click on the three dots in the upper right corner of Chrome. In the drop-down menu, hover over Share, then click Install YouTube app. This will install YouTube app in your laptop. The app will now appear on your desktop. Right-click on it and select Pin to Taskbar. And that's it! You now have YouTube installed as an app on your Windows PC. Super easy, right? If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.